Let's do it. Let's head out. We got a supercharged Gallardo here. I hope you guys can see everything.
We're out. Let's do it.
Let's turn this on. We just dropped some students out for their prom, successful. Now I'm gonna take you guys out on a POV drive of this supercharged Gallardo because this thing is so sick. As you can see, we got two Huracans in front of us, so it's gonna be a pretty nice ride. Listen to this. I love this thing so much. I hope you guys can see. So we got a white Huracan over there, all-wheel drive, a red Huracan right here, rear-wheel drive, supercharged Gallardo, which I'm driving right now, and then a Corvette C8 right behind us, and a baby blue wrap. It's been quite some time since I made a YouTube video, so this is gonna be one heck of a comeback, honestly. I'm gonna be driving a lot of nice cars and reviewing them and doing POVs. Here's a little look at the interior. We got the diamond stitching, brown, tan leather. I'm not sure what year this Lamborghini Gallardo is, but honestly, it looks great. Listen to these downshifts. Sounds so good. This is definitely the fastest car I've ever driven, and probably one of the best sounding cars I've ever driven. We're about to head up on the freeway. I'll give it a little pull just for you guys. You know what? The paddle shifters feel really nice to the touch. They're nice, high quality metal, stiff paddle shifters. They don't feel cheap at all. I love that because you're going to be using that a lot. So it's a nice that they feel high quality. You're not going to get tired of using them. Here's a freeway. Quick. I don't know how to explain it, honestly. Like, it feels like I'm already giving it all it could give, but then I step on it a little harder and it gives even more. I love that about this car, man. Like, I own a S2000 obviously, and I love that thing so much, but driving cars like this, it's just, whenever I get into my S2000, I don't feel that excitement anymore. I love speed. Don't get me wrong, I still love my S2000, and no car will make me happier than the S2000, but this is happiness on another level. Like, look, I could go from right here to over there like within seconds. With the S2000, I have to ring it out. Listen to this downshift. Oh my God. Right next to us. Let me get a little close-up of the Huracans. So obviously we got a red Huracan right here, a blue CA right there, white Huracan right there with a nice wing. Speaking of wings, we got a Super Trofeo wing on the back. There's less than 200 made for sure. So this is definitely a really special Gallardo. I'll go ahead and shut up now and listen to the exhaust. Honestly, I gotta take this out to the canyons one day, maybe do a video, a full-on review, and show you every detail on this. If you guys want to see something like that, definitely comment down below, like the video, subscribe. We're pretty close to 1,000, honestly. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm so happy driving this. You guys have a good one.